My name is Diola Titebi. I'm an architect and interior designer. I'm privileged to be part of this training program for 2019. The beautiful thing, profound thing about today's training for me, it's not like what's been discussed. I've not heard before. I've gone to some business schools and all that. But what is profound for me is the fact that there are practical steps to achieving your goals, not just listing them. And a lot of people that makes plans and all that, but we discuss a lot of practical ways to achieve your goals and to attain them, and to check and measure them, which is very key for me, because like I said, we make a lot of plans that we just dump on paper and that's all. And then the facilitator, Mr. Ogbo, has been very wonderful in that the class was quite interactive. He made it in such a way that you feel relaxed and open enough to discuss whatever challenge you're going through, and is very attentive and detailed. So it's been a wonderful session today. No regrets at all. I will do this over and over again. And I would recommend to anybody, a business owner, a career, or someone into career and all that, because it helps you to start your year well, and plan and measure, and how will I say, it helps you to plan for the year, and of course how you're going to achieve the things you've planned. That's